I was a project manager for a lot of years. When I was working in the US, I was a programmer of automation, industrial systems like in paper mills and chemical plants. You know that that background. But then I got my PMP in the year 2000, and then I was in demand as a project manager because at that time, the country and industry was trying to make a standard for project management, and PMI, the Project Management Institute, sort of got that gold standard. We're going to do it the PMI way, so you have to be PMP certified. What they were looking for at that time were people that had the discipline, the structure to manage projects in this uniform standard way, and that was the skill really, to follow a framework, learn the PMI framework, use the same words and concepts and tools, use Gantt charts, Microsoft Project Gantt chart, know how to use that, use gate reviews and know how to facilitate a gate review, know how to do status reports, the status reports every week, talk to executives. These were the skills they were looking for. So when I got hired by IBM, they were very interested in the fact I had this structured approach and I knew the names and the methods. What they weren't looking for was somebody necessarily that was going to improve anything. They wanted somebody that would follow the rules. In companies that follow the rules. So that was what they hired IBM for, to go in to companies that had a much more relaxed attitude to project management and things were going wrong, and we would be the people that said, no, you do it this way, you follow our direction. And that's great. And this is what I said in Geneva on Tuesday. I said that was what was necessary in the year 2000 when people were doing projects in all sorts of different ways. There was no standardization and there was a lot of poor project management. Well, we got that discipline. We eventually got the word across. Then the number of PMPs must have gone up tenfold since the year 2000. You know, everybody got certified, everybody did the training. But so now we've got that structure and the standards. And I think the next step is to be constantly looking to improve those processes, those standards and those frameworks. And we know that things like Lean Six Sigma and Kaizen and total productive maintenance as well. I was going to say total quality management, total TPM, TQM are the perfect methods, tools, techniques, and mindset for improvement, because we look at the current state and we analyze the current state and we say, where can we improve it? Project managers they want to implement something new, but it's basically a solution that they're implementing, and their skill is to have the discipline to implement the plan. So it's all about produce a plan and follow the plan. Don't deviate from the plan.